Well, moving to Israel, where all eyes are on a courtroom in Jerusalem. That's where the trial of Benjamin Netanyahu, Israel's long-serving prime minister, is getting underway. It was postponed in March because of the coronavirus crisis. The court rejected a request by Netanyahu's lawyers for him not to attend the first hearing.
1 week ago, Benjamin Netanyahu was sworn in as Israel's new prime minister for the 5th time. Today, his trial is set to begin in Jerusalem. It's the first time in Israel's history that a sitting prime minister has been indicted. Netanyahu does not have to step down until proven guilty. At Sunday's court hearing, the charges will be formally presented. Case 1000. Netanyahu is suspected of receiving gifts from wealthy friends. Case 2000 alleges Netanyahu attempted to influence a newspaper to gain more positive coverage. And Case 4000 alleges that he granted a series of favors to Israel's largest telecommunications company in exchange for positive media coverage on a news website. The charges: fraud, breach of trust, and bribery. There have been countless demonstrations both for and against him. His opponents say he cannot be prime minister and on trial at the same time. His supporters say the indictments are part of a political campaign against him. Netanyahu himself has denied all allegations. The trial is expected to go on for some time.
Well, for more, let's speak to DW's Tanya Kramer, who is standing by for us in Jerusalem. Hi, Tanya. What can we expect from today's proceedings?
Hi. Well, I'm standing right here outside the court. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has arrived here some time ago. Now, it's very loud here because there is a demonstration in support of the Prime Minister just here next to the court. What we are expecting today, it's the opening of a long-awaited trial. It's actually the first time a sitting Prime Minister is standing trial, and the panel of the 3 judges will read out the charges against the defendants, against Prime Minister Netanyahu.
Well, if Netanyahu is found guilty, Tanya, what could the sentence actually be?
Well, first of all, Prime Minister Netanyahu, on arriving at the court, he has again denied all allegations. He said this is a witch hunt against him and his family. He has maintained that during all the time of investigation. Now, the most serious case is considered to be the case of 4000, where he's charged with bribery. That could lead up to a charge of a sentence to more than up to 10 years in the most serious case. But of course, this trial is just at the very beginning. I talked to law experts here, and they said it could take a very, very long time until a verdict is given.
Tanya, briefly, in what way could this actually interfere with Prime Minister Netanyahu's work?
Well, I talked to law experts about this, and they say, of course, he will do his work as usual, but he will be very much preoccupied with the proceedings in court, because they will go on from now on. And of course, this is what his opponents have said. He shouldn't be a prime minister going to court in the morning and then governing in the afternoon.
OK, well, Tanya Kramer outside the courtroom there in Jerusalem for the start of Benjamin Netanyahu's trial. Thank you so much.